Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Vanessa, and today's video I'm gonna be doing a drugstore get ready with me. As you guys know, school has been back in for about 2 weeks already. I'm a senior right now in college in New York. So yeah, I thought today I would just sit down and film a video for you guys. I'm just gonna do like a easy drugstore makeup that I've been doing these past few days and just show you guys the products that I've been using and everything that I've been loving. As you guys know, when I go to school I don't do too much, but I thought I would actually show you guys the makeup I do when I do go to school. So I already prepped my face. I put on moisturizer and SPF. So now I'm just gonna go in with this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Rose primer water. Just gonna spray a little bit of that on. I actually do really like this. I think it's pretty good and it's really inexpensive, so that's always a good thing. Wait for this to dry up a little bit so I can go in with foundation. So now that kind of dried up on my face, I just started doing my eyebrows. I'm using this E.l.f. I think it's an ultra precise brow pencil. That's what I kind of was just doing now. So now I'm quickly just gonna prime my face with this Maybelline Master Blur Stick. Just gonna put a little bit like on my T-zone, usually where I'm like the most oily. Just gonna put a little bit of that. I'm really liking this. I've had this for a really long time and why are you texting me? And now I'm ready to go in with foundation. So the foundation that I love, and if you guys have been watching my channel for a while now, you guys know this is my favorite drugstore foundation. Is the Maybelline Matte and Poreless. I'm just gonna take a little bit on my Real Techniques swapping brush. I'm just gonna put it directly on the brush because, oh my god, I put too much. So I'm just gonna take that all over my face and start blending it out. Okay, I might have put a little bit too much. Okay, now I'm just gonna start just blending that in. The foundation looks really nice on the face. I don't know if you guys can see, but I've kind of been breaking out like on my forehead and like around my mouth. So it looks like I put on a lot of foundation, but we are gonna fix that. This foundation, like every time I stop using it and then I go back to using it, I'm like, wow, I realized why I liked this so much before. It just makes your face look so nice. Okay, now that we're done with that, I'm just gonna go in with concealer. So I kind of always alter between two concealers. I use a Maybelline Insta Age Rewind or this Maybelline Fit Me concealer. So honestly, this one has been my favorite for so many years, and I haven't used it in so long actually, but I've gone through so many of these. I just really love how it looks. It's so fresh in the face and it really does brighten really nicely. So I just love this concealer. And I feel like you can never really apply too much of this because it just blends out so like effortlessly. There's not really such thing as applying too much with this concealer, I feel like, because it always looks good. It never looks cakey. So I'm just gonna take this brush. So now after I have that foundation on, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go in with this Wet n Wild Photo Focus translucent powder. Okay, so this kind of gets everywhere, but I just kind of use it to set most of my face because since it's such a long day, like while I'm at school and stuff, I just really like to have like my whole face set. And now I'm just gonna dust off with this big brush any powder that's remaining. I'm just gonna dust it off my face. Now I'm just gonna go in with bronzer. So first to contour this just a little bit, I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild also contour duo. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of that and just bronze up a little. Break that up. So this is also another E.l.f. compact. Now I'm just gonna take this LA Minerals blush and just dust that over my face. Lastly, I'm just gonna apply some highlight. This Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter. This is in the shade Precious Petals. Just gonna apply that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a little bit of that bronzer that I use in this E.l.f. compact. I'm just going to dust a little bit of the bronzer here on my eyelid, just so that it kind of ties the look in a little bit together. Okay, and before I finish, I'm just going to spray a little bit of this Morphe setting spray before I put on my mascara. And now I'm just gonna go in with my L'Oreal Original Voluminous shade Black. Alright guys, so now I just put on mascara, and now I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of this NYX Butter Gloss. When I go to school, I usually don't like to wear lipstick because I'm there all day and I'm not really looking at myself in the mirror. To go with something more reliable, like a lip gloss. So I'm just gonna put... So yeah, when I go to school, I just like to play it safe with the lip gloss. Opt for a lip gloss when I'm going to school, or just like a lip balm. I don't really wear any like heavy lipstick or anything like that. So that's pretty much it. It's not too much. It's just pretty basic look. It's just an everyday look that you can wear for school, for work. Yeah, so these are just the things that I've been using that I've really been liking. So if any of you guys want to share your Drugstore favorites or what you're using for school or for work, make sure you guys comment that down below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe down below to my channel. Also, don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so you guys are notified every time I upload a new video. And also, let me know if you guys would like to see like a college day in my life or something like that. Maybe I've never really done anything like that, but if you guys, something you guys would like to see, just let me know down below. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.